Good morning, dear students. How are you, beta? Hope you all are well, students. Yes, students, today we are going to discuss next half of chapter number 4, that is Fight Manju, Fight. Students, as you know, Manjula Parilkar had malformed fingers and deformed feet, but she wanted to paint like Hussain, the famous artist, we can say. And students, on her 13th birthday, Manjula received watercolors from her mother, a book named Step by Step from father. And students, now let's see how Amol, who was Amol, students? Manjula's brother. Let's see how Amol teased her on her birthday. So students, let's start with the next half. Let's read. But he would not be mean on a birthday. She began undoing the tight knots and took off the wrapper only to find another knot and staring at her. Staring का meaning students? Staring का meaning क्या होता है बेटा? Stare करना, एक टक देखते रहना, fixed look. Okay. She hated unnoting parcels. Yes, beta, Manjula hated unnoting parcels. And why did her brother do this to her? Bring her the scissors. She heard her father's voice from behind. उसके पापा ने क्या बोला कि bring her the scissors. Now students, what do you mean by scissors? It means an instrument for cutting cloth or paper. Why? Asked Amol, offended. Amol बहुत offended हो गया, परेशान हो गया, upset हो गया. Why? Isn't it fun? It was not fun. It was sheer torture. एक तो एक cruelty है just. It was not a fun student. However, she struggled on with the notes, all 11 of them. How many notes were there, students, on that gift, that parcel? 11 notes were there, students. Okay. And when students finally she managed to unravel. Unravel means students open करना. Okay. When finally she managed to unravel the last one, she found a little box with a slip of paper inside. Beta, when she unraveled the last one, जब उसने last note को open किया तो what she found, student? She found only a slip of paper inside the little box. उसको सिर्फ एक slip मिली. Okay, एक paper की slip मिली just inside a little box, and she knew what would be written on it. Sorry, better luck next time. It was just like Amol now. Though he was only a year younger, sometimes she felt 100 years older than him. Read it, urged. Who urged? Amol. Amol ने request की. Urged का meaning क्या होता है students? Request करना. Read it, he urged. Amol ने urge की, उसको request की, please read it. Then she read, look for the next clue under your pillow. और उसने पढ़ा तो क्या मिला? Look for the next clue means now one more hint, or we can say clue is there under pillow. Oh no, cried Manjula. But her brother pulled her to her bedroom. He even lifted the pillow for her students. And there tied with a pink ribbon. एक pink ribbon के साथ बेटा क्या टाई करा हुआ पड़ा था? Lay 3 watercolor brushes. Sable hair, said her brother. उसके brother ने क्या बोला? Sable hair. Now students, what do you mean by sable hair बेटा? It means students artist's paintbrush, एक special paintbrush. Okay, artist's paintbrush that is of very good quality. Sable hair, said her brother, artist quality. She studied the new book from cover to cover and soon used up all her papers. She knew for good watercolor painting she needed special watercolor paper now. But students, that was expensive. What was expensive, students? The material. Okay, painting material was very costly, or we can say expensive. Mummy, she told her mother, pointing at a thin wobbly paper. Now students, what do you mean by wobbly paper? It means students not regular, we can say, or not straight. ठीक है कि ये पेपर बहुत thin है, regular नहीं है. So I could do much better paintings on real watercolor paper. What do you think, Mama? You are right, replied her mother. But oh, what a wonderful painting! You have improved a lot. I will talk to your papa today. Yes, students, on her 13th birthday, Manjula's mother gave her a set of artist watercolors and her father presented her a book on painting. And while her brother Amol gifted her three sable hair watercolor brushes. And students, Manjula began to open the notes, but her father asked her to bring a pair of scissors because students it was difficult for Manjula to open the notes. But Amol said, "Isn't it fun? Isn't it excited? It would be exciting and fun to open the notes one by one." But students, it was not a fun for Manjula at all. It was like a torture for her. ये उसको परेशान करना था. It was like a torture for her. You know, students, why? Because students, because of her deformed fingers, we can say, okay, it was difficult for her to open that. It was difficult for her to open the notes, but she managed. However, students, she managed to open all the 11 notes. How many notes were there, students, on that parcel? There were 11 notes. And finally, students, she managed to unravel the last one. And students, what happened then? She found a slip of paper inside it. Manjula knew her brother very well and how naughty he was. When she read it, she found a clue mentioning about the gift. Amol took her to the bedroom, and there, what did she find, Beta? What did she find there in the bedroom? She found there watercolor papers, okay, and they were very fine brushes, okay. So it was a wonderful birthday for Manjula. ये स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज़ कि आपका बर्थडे है और आपके साथ कोई ऐसी शरारत करता है कि आपको एक बहुत बड़ा पार्सल दे देता है और उस पार्सल में क्या होता है जब आप उसको ओपन करते हो, 11 नोट्स हैं उसके ऊपर, बहुत अच्छे से उसको डेकोरेट कर रखा है और जब आप उसको ओपन कर रहे हो तो उसमें क्या निकलेगा, जस्ट अ पेपर. एंड व्हाट्स रिटन ऑन दैट? सॉरी, बेटर लक नेक्स्ट टाइम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक सेम Amol did this to Manjula. Now let's start with the next half, students. After dinner, when the children were in bed, Mrs. Parilkar spoke to her husband about Manjula's painting. Manjula didn't understand why her father's voice so raised. अब बेटा मंजुला और मंजुला को ये चीज़ समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि उसके पापा की आवाज़ जो है इतनी रेज क्यों हो रही है, उतना ऊंचा क्यों बोल रहे हैं वो. He never raised it in front of her mother. बेटा उन्होंने पहले कभी भी मंजुला की मम्मा के सामने ऐसा बिहेव नहीं किया था. With her heart thumping wildly, वो बहुत घबरा गई, हार्ट बीट उसकी बहुत फास्ट हो गई. And then student, she tiptoed towards the drawing room and peeped in. She tiptoed. Tiptoed का meaning students क्या होता है? It means walk silently. Okay, walk quietly and केयरफुली, बहुत धीरे धीरे आराम से चल के जाना. वो बहुत धीरे धीरे बेटा ड्राइंग रूम की तरफ गई एंड पीप्ड इन, और अंदर झांक कर देखा कि व्हाट हैपेंड. देन स्टूडेंट्स, स्मिता प्लीज, शी हर्ड हर फादर से, वाटर कलर पेपर इज़ एक्सपेंसिव, कि वाटर कलर पेपर जो है बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है. एंड शी वुड नॉट नीड वन ओनली, उसको सिर्फ एक नहीं चाहिए वाटर कलर पेपर. शी विल नीड डजन्स ऑफ देम, उसको तो बहुत सारे चाहिए. Where will the money come from? It doesn't grow on trees. Money जो है पेड़ों पे नहीं उगती है. Where will the money come from? Then students, I know. Her mother's voice was soft and pacifying. उनकी मम्मा ने क्या किया मंजुला की बेटा, उनको we can say कूल करने के लिए कि जैसे बेटा अगर किसी को गुस्सा आ रहा है, हमें उसको शांत करना है, उनके गुस्से को शांत करना है, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, बहुत प्यार से आराम से बोलेंगे उसके साथ, I know. हर मदर्स वॉइस वॉज सॉफ्ट, बहुत सॉफ्ट तरीके से वो बोल रहे हैं. एंड पैसिफाइंग. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पैसिफाइंग? टू काम, उनको ठंडा करें, टू सूद. ओके, द प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल हैज़ गॉन अप, कि जो पेट्रोल के प्राइस हैं वो बहुत बढ़ चुके हैं. हर फादर कंटिन्यूड वाइल पेसिंग द रूम, द प्राइस ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स हैज शॉट अप. Amol needs a new pair of shoes and These curtains need a change also. He stopped then. Okay, Mr. Parilkar stopped and looked at his wife tenderly. बहुत प्यार से. Tenderly का meaning क्या होता है? Kindness, or we can say with affection. Okay, affection से उसको देखा और क्या बोला? And you haven't had a new sari since last Diwali. और तुमने भी तो last Diwali से कोई साड़ी नहीं ली है? Do you think I don't notice all this? आपको क्या लगता है कि मैं ये चीज़ें नोटिस नहीं कर रहा हूँ? Her mother turned her face away and whispered. Whispered का मीनिंग सुनिए क्या था? धीरे धीरे बोलना. Okay. Her mother turned her face away and whispered, I don't need a sari. I have enough. Okay. I have enough to last me a lifetime. Let's buy her a few sheets to begin with. कि क्यों ना हम मंजुला को कुछ शीट्स लेके दें ताकि वो अपनी पेंटिंग स्टार्ट कर सके. स्मिता सेड मिस्टर पारिलकर वियरली. थके हुए, टायर्ड, जैसे कि वो बहुत टायर्ड हो. ठीक है, इन ए टायर्ड मैनर. उन्होंने क्या बोला स्मिता को समझाने के लिए? इट्स नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ फ्यू शीट्स. आफ्टर वाटर कलर्स इट विल बी ऑयल्स एंड कैनवसेस एंड व्हाट नॉट. Why does she want to paint of all things? Why doesn't she learn something more useful like cooking or stitching? Means she should learn cooking or stitching. With those hands of hers, she will never become an artist. Her father said that because of her claw-like, we can say deformed hands, she will never become a good painter. Please, cried her mother, don't say that ever again. Never. दोबारा ऐसी बात कभी मत करना. I tell you, she has talent. मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि उसमें बहुत talent है. Maybe we should show her paintings to an authority on art. Means we should show her paintings to experts. Manjula Parilkar returned to her room. She didn't wait for an authority on art to see her paintings. And what she did, students? She tore them into bits. Bits means छोटे छोटे pieces में बेटा उसने उसको तोड़ कर दिया, फाड़ दिया. She tore them into bits one by one, slowly, without shedding a tear. Her claw-like fingers absolutely steady. She bundled up the watercolors and the 3 brushes, all the best artist quality, and tucked them away into the farthest means बहुत दूर corner में of a cupboard. और उन सब उसको आपने टक किया, वाटर कलर्स को, ब्रशेस को, और टक करके उनको कहाँ छुपा दिया बेटा? अपनी कबर्ड में बहुत दूर, farthest corner में. Okay students? Yes students, when Manjula's mother said that they could buy some sheets for Manjula, then Mr. Parilkar said that she could never become an artist with those claw-like fingers, but her mother pointed out that she had a talent and they should show her paintings to experts. Then students, Mr. Parilkar said instead of painting, she should learn something more useful like cooking or stitching. And when students Manjula heard her father saying these things, she felt very sad, or we can say students, she was totally discouraged. Okay, she ran to her room, and what did she do there beta? What did she do there? She removed all her paintings and tore them into bits. Actually students, she decided to give up painting. Okay students, hope you all have understood students. Now students, try to read the next half of the chapter and find out the meanings of difficult words. Okay students, thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye beta.